Hello teachers and my dear friends. Thank you college to conduct a PBL activity. Thank you faculty members. First of all, myself Aniket Maran Star, studying E&Tc branch at Zil College of Engineering Pune. My team member is Abhishek Singh, Pratham Suryavanshi and Prerna Tati. Our project guidance ma'am is Jyoti ma'am. Our project name is Rain Detector with Alarm. It's simply three parts. It divided to better understanding: requirement, working, and applications. Our requirement of the project is transistor BC547, LED, buzzer, switch, 9-volt battery, and circuit board. Our circuit diagram is very simple and very easy to create this project. This project is useful for a farmer to alert the above the rain and protect the water leakage.